Hi, this is Kylie with Ceres Greenhouse Solutions, and for the Grow Series today, we are in a custom residential greenhouse in Colorado, located at about 5,000 feet in elevation. This greenhouse is about 22 by 40 feet, so it's just under 900 square feet. It's a soil-based system, and the grower here grows both organically and biodynamically. Today we're going to look at a few of his particular plants and talk a little bit about the greenhouse systems in general. So this greenhouse uses a soil-based system, and to get started, the grower here built up beds primarily with a mix of native soil, imported organic soil, and compost. The grower here uses Biodynamics to grow and doesn't actually have to add that much additional fertilizer or nutrients to the soil. He makes compost on site and is able to amend the soil with that each year, along with biodynamic preps and sprays. One of the real benefits of growing in soil like this is it allows, one, for you to develop a long-term, stable, nutrient-rich, and biologically rich soil system that allows for less inputs down the line and less expensive fertilizers that you have to add and things like that. Another really great benefit is that it allows for a lot of plant diversity in your garden, and so he's able to grow here mature fruit trees alongside vegetable crops, alongside vines, perennial herbs. And the real goal for the growers here was to create a greenhouse that would feed them throughout the winter months, allow them to have fruit, to eat greens all winter long, and to have a diversity of food in their diet. And so soil really does a good job of providing that diversity.